Hey guys, and I'm back with another video. So as you all can see, I'm doing an Ikea haul, guys. I went to Ikea today and I'm about to show y'all some of the products, some of the household items that I picked up from Ikea. So yeah, let's go and get into it. So first, I want to show y'all my cheetah that I picked up from Ikea. I call her Beyonce. If it's a girl. If it's a boy, I call him Cheon. You know, you get it? Cheetah. So if it's a girl, her name is Beyonce. If it's a boy, his name is Cheon. Too cute, guys. So I got a butterfly shaped lamp, LED. It already come with the LED lights already inside. Shaped like a butterfly. Already got the light bulb already inside. Tested and approved for children, they said. So I guess it don't get too hot. The light bulb don't get too hot. That's why they said they tested it and approved it for children. And they got the little handprint right there. Yeah, butterfly shape. LED lamp. Got some pink washcloths. Toilet bowl scrubber. Toilet bowl cleaner. Bowl scrubber. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, I gotta show y'all my little sheepskin rug from Ikea, guys. Oh, Beyonce, you fell on the floor, girl. So cute. It's so cute, guys. I just feel like it just feels so soft. I feel like it's made out of lamb skin blanket. So I just got like a little spatula, little scooper, tongs and stuff like that, you know, little mini one. Ooh. Sorry guys. I also got the tall one as well with the spatula, the scooper, tongs, you know. Forks and spoons and knives. I got a big thing of those, forks, spoons, and knives. I love these. They came out with a different color. At first it used to be like orange and green, yellow, and pink. Now they got like different colors now. I got a little mini, some mini spoons as well, guys. Another little spatula. I got a little hanger. You just hang these as like a tail, like a little butt tail, and you hang it up, you know. You could put like, you know, purses, hang your purses or your coat. It's like a little coat hanger. Got some cups. I have some more washcloths, guys. I love this color green. It's like an olive green. So cute. Washcloths. Olive green washcloths. Spatula. Another one. Green spatula. A little nice little green spatula. I love this color too. It seems like it matched the washcloths. Love that color washcloths, guys. got some bowls. As you all see, I got a tote as well too. A little clear plastic tote. Coat hangers, colorful coat hangers. I needed some more coat hangers because all my coat hangers kept breaking. So yeah, I got some cute little colorful coat hangers, guys. Got some plates. Cute little plates, guys. Got another toilet bowl scrubber. I got the giant size scooper with the spatula, the spoon, and the big spoon. So that's good, guys. I also have another trash can. You already seen my white trash can. I also have a black trash can. This is so cute, guys. I had to get this. It's just like a little broom and little duster, little brush and dustpan, and it's clear and green. I just love the color, guys. Never seen one like this before. So I'm gonna use this like for my car and stuff to get like all the food and, you know, crumbs and stuff out of my car. Too cute. I got some black coat hangers, guys. I got another white toilet bowl cleaner. I love to have like new ones because I be throwing my old ones away once they, you know, they get dirty and stuff like that. So yeah, I got 3 toilet bowl cleaners. It's just good to have, you know. And that's all, guys. I just wanted to show you all, you know, my Ikea haul. I hope you all enjoyed it. You know, guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my video. Give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye, guys.